Today we're going to learn about the Pythagorean theorem and its converse. The Pythagorean theorem is the equation to find the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of a right triangle. You find the hypotenuse by adding the square of A and the square of B. These are the legs, and they give you the square of C. When you have the square of C, you have to find the square root of it, which will give you the answer of the hypotenuse. The first triangle we have is 4, 6, and the empty hypotenuse, which is C. So we apply the Pythagorean theorem. 4 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. 4 times 4 is 16, and 6 times 6 is 36. 16 plus 36 is 52. Then we have to find the square root of 52. The square root of 52 is 7.2. So 7.2 is your hypotenuse. Our next triangle has legs of 3 and 4. So we use our Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C, our hypotenuse. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. So 9 plus 16 equals 25. The square root of 25 is a perfect square, which is 5. This is your hypotenuse. Our next triangle, the legs are 10 and 6. So Pythagorean theorem says 10 squared plus 6 squared will equal your hypotenuse, which is C. 10 times 10 is 100. 6 times 6 is 36. 100 plus 36 is 136. The square root of 136 is 11.7. This will be your hypotenuse. Now we'll use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Again, we have A, B, and C on our triangle, but if you only have a C and a B, you have to subtract the B from the C to get A. So the C squared minus B squared equals A. The first one we have is the hypotenuse is 6 and one of the legs is 3. We're missing A, so we'll use 6 squared minus 3 squared equals A squared. 6 times 6 is 36, minus 3 times 3 is 9, and this equals 27. The square root of 27 is 5.2. This is your A. The next one we have is the hypotenuse is 10, one of the legs is 7, and we're missing B. So we use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. 10 squared minus 7 squared will give us B squared. 10 times 10 is 100. 7 times 7 is 49. 100 minus 49 is 51. The square root of 51 is not a perfect square, so it is 7.1, which is your B. Now we have a hypotenuse of 7, a B of 4, and we don't have an A. So we use the equation 7 squared minus 4 squared equals A squared. 7 times 7 is 49. 4 times 4 is 16, so 49 minus 16 is 33. 33, the square root of it is 5.7. This is your A.